Well, just as the grant committee sits down to divvy up hundreds of thousands of dollars in wildfire relief funds, another big donation comes in today. The Foley Family Charitable Foundation in Whitefish gives $20,000 to the Montana Wildfire Relief Fund. About 60 organizations have applied so far. They've requested some $750,000 in assistance. Organizers expect to award about $300,000 in the first round of grants. The committee will give preference to rural fire departments and other first responders that fought summer fires. Now, the fund has raised more than $525,000. The grant committee, including fire professionals and people from affected communities, will score each application. They say the awards could be decided as soon as next month. This past weekend, applications opened for the second cycle of grants.